So, you want to build discipline and truly take control of your life? It's a goal that many aspire to, but few achieve. It requires more than just a fleeting desire. It demands a fundamental shift in how you approach your daily choices and long-term aspirations. It's not just about willpower, that's a common misconception. Willpower is a finite resource, easily depleted by stress and fatigue. Relying solely on it is like trying to build a house on sand, or waiting for motivation to strike. Motivation is fickle, it comes and goes like the wind. True discipline isn't about waiting for the perfect moment, it's about acting despite your feelings. It's a skill, like a muscle you train. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Each act of self-control, no matter how small, reinforces your ability to resist temptation and pursue your goals. Breaking habits like compulsive porn use isn't easy. It's a deeply ingrained pattern of behavior that offers immediate, albeit fleeting, pleasure. They rewire your brain for instant gratification, creating powerful neural pathways that make it increasingly difficult to resist the urge. But discipline grows with small, incremental steps. Don't try to overhaul your entire life overnight. Consistent choices. Focus on making 1 or 2 small changes at a time, and stick with them until they become second nature. Every time you choose the harder path, the path of delayed gratification and long-term reward, you're voting for the person you want to become. You're reinforcing your identity as someone who is capable of self-control and committed to personal growth. This isn't just about stopping a bad habit, it's about reclaiming your power and taking control of your destiny. It's about starting the journey of self-mastery, a lifelong pursuit of becoming the best version of yourself. Let's break down how to build that foundation step by step so you can start building the life you truly desire. Before diving into the specific tactics and strategies, you need to establish a powerful reason, a compelling why. This is the bedrock upon which your discipline will be built. It's the driving force that will keep you going when the path gets tough. Without a deep and meaningful purpose, a reason that truly resonates with your core values, discipline inevitably crumbles under the weight of stress, pressure, and temptation. It becomes a fragile thing, easily broken. Ask yourself, who do you truly want to become? What kind of person are you striving to be? What are the qualities you admire and wish to embody? What are you sacrificing every time you give in to instant gratification? What potential opportunities are you forfeiting? What future version of yourself are you letting down? Write a mission statement, a concise declaration of your purpose that truly resonates with your soul. For example, I am mastering my urges, strengthening my resolve to reclaim my clarity, my confidence, and ultimately my future. Put it somewhere prominent, somewhere you'll see it daily, multiple times a day. Let it serve as a constant reminder of your commitment. When faced with a difficult decision, when temptation rears its head, ask yourself, does this action, this choice, align with my mission? Does it move me closer to the person I aspire to be? Your why won't magically make the path easy, or remove the obstacles in your way, but it will provide unwavering clarity, a guiding star to keep you on course. Willpower fades, systems last. Build systems that make the right choice easy and temptation hard. Use website blockers, unfollow triggers, and set up screen-free zones. Make your environment work for you, not against you. A tidy space and simple routines reduce decision fatigue. For example, make your bed, keep your phone out of the bedroom. Systems remove the need for constant self-control. Design your life for discipline. Habits are your daily discipline workout. Create a short list of non-negotiables, actions you do every day, no matter what. Start simple, wake up at the same time, drink water, write priorities, avoid your phone first thing. Evening, no screens before bed, read a few pages, journal for 5 minutes. Consistency is key. Habits automate excellence. The fewer decisions you make, the stronger your discipline becomes. Routines build identity. Discipline thrives in structure. Even with strong habits, you'll want to quit sometimes. Accountability keeps you honest. Find a partner or use a habit tracker. Check in daily or weekly. Make your commitment public if needed. Seeing your streak grow is motivating. Shine a light on your goals. Discipline thrives in the open. Don't go it alone. The real battle is with instant gratification. Practice choosing long-term rewards over quick hits. Read instead of scrolling, save instead of spending, walk instead of binge-watching. Each choice rewires your brain for patience and self-control. The reward becomes self-respect, not just fleeting pleasure. Delayed gratification is a muscle. Train it daily. Upgrade your rewards. Discipline is the highest form of self-respect. It's about honoring the commitments you make to yourself, even when it's difficult. It's a testament to your character and a powerful declaration of your self-worth. When you consistently choose discipline, you're sending a clear message to yourself. I am capable, I am worthy, and I deserve the best version of myself. Every time you keep your word to yourself, whether it's a small daily task or a significant life goal, you build confidence and a new identity. You're not just completing a task, you're reinforcing the belief that you are reliable and capable of achieving what you set out to do. This consistent self-affirmation shapes your self-image and empowers you to take on even greater challenges. One rule: never miss twice. Slip up, forgive yourself, acknowledge that everyone makes mistakes, but get back on track immediately. Don't let one misstep derail your progress. Missing once is human, it's a part of the learning process and growth. Missing twice is a choice. It's a conscious decision to abandon your commitment and compromise your self-respect. Protect your progress by holding this standard. Defend the boundaries you've set for yourself, and refuse to let excuses undermine your efforts. Resilience, not perfection, is the key, is the goal. It's about your ability to bounce back from setbacks and keep moving forward, even when things get tough. Your response to setbacks defines you. It reveals your character, your commitment, and your capacity for growth. Self-respect is built one disciplined choice at a time. It's a continuous process of honoring your commitments, overcoming challenges, and striving to become the best version of yourself. Discipline isn't a destination, it's a daily choice. The steps we've covered are tools, not magic. The real work is in showing up, especially when it's hard. Each disciplined choice is a rep for your future self. This journey is about building a good life, not just breaking a habit. Own your choices, earn your respect. Remember, discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most.